Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I want to teach us how to use your voice to control your system. Yes, all the things you can do with your mouse or with your keyboard can be done just by using your voice. So let's get started. Now the first thing to do is simply to press control, is your control key, control and S. And once you press the control and X, you get this prompt from your keyboard, from your screen, I mean. So you can see it says, welcome to speech recognition. So speech recognition allows you to control your computer by voice. First thing to do now, let's set up the computer to recognize our voice. All right, we go to click next. And once you click the next, here you'll be asked what type of microphone. You want to know the kind of microphone you want to use to control or to first recognize the voice with. Now we have the headset here. We have desktop microphone, and we have what other microphone. That is maybe you want to connect an external mic to your computer. But at this very point, I'm using the desktop microphone, which is a microphone that comes with the computer. You get it? So that is it. You know, the computer has a mouthpiece, so that's the microphone. So you click on next after that. So the next thing here, it says set up your microphone. Here, this is how we this right up here actually shows us how to position when doing this voice recognition. First, it position your microphone not more than 2 feet from your mouth. That is, you should be close, not far, but on 2 feet. And then say point your microphone directly. Okay, let's leave that. But as we are talking now, the microphone is actually capturing our voice. So note, the desktop microphones are not ideal for speech recognition because probably maybe they may not catch your voice properly. So it is better that you use an external microphone or use an headset if you have one. And if the computer doesn't recognize you very well, consider buying an headset microphone. But nevertheless, let's just manage what we have for now. So you click on next. You can see that as I'm talking, it is actually capturing my voice. But yeah, they told us to say something. They said, read the following sentence aloud in a natural speaking voice. Let's go. Say, Peter dictates to his computer. He prefers it to typing and particularly prefers it to open to pen and paper. You can say after reading this, you can proceed. Okay, let me read it again. Peter dictates to his computer. He prefers it to typing and particularly prefers it to pen and paper. Let's click on next. Now the microphone is ready to use with this computer. Now click next to continue setting up your speech recognition. Okay, I click next. Now let's see what next is prompting us to do. See, improve speech recognition accuracy. You can improve computer ability to recognize spoken words by allowing the computer to review documents or emails in your search. The computer will learn words and phrases to better understand when you speak. Now, enable document review. That is, we want to give it access to help us review document, probably using our speech. Okay, let's go. Then again, it's asking you, choose an active mode. Are you using a manual active mode or you're using voice active mode? Okay, let me explain what these two means to us. First, the use manual activation mode. Here, when I click this, it means once I say stop listening, the computer automatically stop listening, but I am the one who must come here to turn it on again. But here, if I choose use voice activation mode, it means once I say stop listening, the microphone goes off, and if I say start listening, it comes up again to capture my voice. So that is what this is all about. So let me click on next. Here it says print the speech preferred reference card. So this print the speech reference card, yeah, is a card that contains all the commands that the computer can respond to. When you speak Benin for the computer, it cannot respond to it. When you speak other languages, it may not respond to it. But here is a card that contains all the commands that the computer will respond to when you speak. So let's see if we. Okay, now this is the voice command card. Now you have to keep your system connected to the internet to be able to access this page. You can see common search recognition commands, uh, what to do, what it will do, then this is what you will say. So to open start, you can just say start. To open Cortana, Cortana is the AI that Windows operating system have. You can say press Windows C to open Cortana. To open search, you can say press Windows S, and this is it. So you can actually go through it and know what to say. Now here says select a word in a document. You can say select word. Then select a word or start to correct it. You can say correct word. Then if you want to delete a specific word, you can say delete word. You understand? So this is all of some of the not all actually. There are some of them that I'm showing you now. You can actually turn to another page to view more. So to turn on listening mode, you can say start listening. To stop, say stop listening. Then move speech recognition, then minimize speech recognition. So these are some of the speech recognition cards. Okay, so let me exit this and go back to where we were coming from. So now I can click on next. So now after that, you see this place is ticked. It says run speech recognition every time I start. If you want it to be activated automatically, that anytime you start up the system, the speech recognition will resume with it. So you tick here, but if not, you can check it. Okay, so that is it. Then you can also start tutorial to master this. Let's start tutorial and see. Before you start using the speech, remember we have to turn it on. You get it? So start listening. It has started what speech recognition at the top. Look at it here. Start listening. So anything I say now, it will likely what do it. Thank you very much, and please like and subscribe to my channel so that you'll be the first to be notified when I drop important videos like this.